Now that we've got our compacted foundation in place, we're going to layer our first course of blocks. Block walls up to 1 metre high, we want to dig that first block 100 mil into the ground. Blocks from 1 metre to 3 metres, you want to go 200 mil. Keeping the distance from the back of the block to the edge of the excavated ground, 300 mil to allow for drainage and your ag pipe to sit in behind of that. So as we put our first course of blocks in, we want to make sure that we keep that 300 mil distance from the back of the block to our edge of our excavation to allow for our ag pipe and our drainage gravel. You get your level, make sure they're sitting nice and level lengthways and back and forward. Now if anything, you want these blocks to slightly lean back just that fraction. After we put our first course in, we're going to put our 100 mil of ag pipe and we're going to layer the drainage gravel at about 200 mil increments. Now that drainage gravel is between 10 and 20 mil stone. That drainage gravel, unlike our foundation, isn't going to be compacted. The reason for that is as the water comes off the back of this level here into our back of our rock wall, we want that to be able to seep through, hit our hard foundation, and then run through that ag pipe to the front of the storm water.